Hey guys, it's your boy once again, Lamar with the Master Plan, who is also the world's most legendary man, aka the Straw Bartender. And today I'm going to be making an old classic called a Jungle Bird. Now, the ingredients you need for a Jungle Bird is dark rum, and I'm using Myers dark rum for this one. I'm also going to be using some Campari as well, freshly squeezed lime juice, simple syrup, and also pineapple juice as well. So first things first, I'm going to start off by adding half ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice to my shaker. Next, I'm going to be following that up with a half ounce of simple syrup. Then I'm going to follow that up with a half ounce of Campari. And then I'm going to follow that up with 1.5 ounces of dark rum. And last but not least, I'm going to follow up with 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Now I'm going to shake this cocktail over ice. Ice is already in my shaker. Make sure you see this lock. Now you want to serve this cocktail over some fresh ice. Jungle Birds normally go in a rocks glass. And what you want to do is you want to do a quick strain over ice. And you want to garnish with a pineapple slice and a pineapple stem. And there you have the classic Jungle Bird. Stay tuned for more videos. This is the Straw Bartender signing out.